Hello, if you're interested in how you can make more than $100,000 a year, then watch this short video to the end. Today, I'm going to tell you about the best website builder service. Let me tell you 5 very useful secrets that few people know about, but which make it truly the best in the best website builders category. I will leave a link to the official website under this video. Let's not waste time and get started.
Ionos is one of the largest European hosting companies, offering a wide range of solutions for website hosting, e-commerce, domain registration, and even server management for businesses of all sizes. With its ease of use and high reliability, Ionos is perfect for both beginners and experienced developers looking for professional solutions. Ionos offers hosting solutions ranging from basic shared servers to dedicated servers for large-scale projects. Users can select from different packages based on their needs and can easily scale resources as their website traffic or demands grow. This makes it an ideal choice for businesses that anticipate scaling over time, or for those that need a customized hosting plan. Even if you're new to hosting, Ionos provides a simple and user-friendly interface, allowing you to easily manage your website. The platform ensures that even non-technical users can handle the daily management of their site without feeling overwhelmed. With Ionos, you can rest assured that your data is secure thanks to automatic backups, SSL certificates, and advanced tools to protect against cyber attacks. Additionally, their secure data centers ensure that your website stays online without interruptions. Whether you are running an e-commerce store or a personal blog, protecting your data and maintaining uptime is a top priority. The Ionos support team works around the clock to assist with any questions or issues related to your website. Whether you prefer phone, chat, or email support, you can rely on quick and professional assistance. Their knowledgeable team is there to solve problems swiftly, helping you stay focused on your business goals. Ionos provides excellent value, especially for small and medium-sized businesses, with affordable pricing and features that are often found on more expensive platforms. It's a cost-effective option for businesses looking to get reliable hosting without breaking the bank. With their world-class infrastructure, you can expect consistent uptime and performance. From DNS management to cloud solutions, Ionos offers tools that allow developers full control over their hosting environment. As your website grows, Ionos makes it easy to upgrade your hosting package without any downtime. Webflow is one of the most innovative platforms for web designers and developers, enabling you to create professional websites without writing a single line of code. The platform combines an intuitive design editor, powerful animation tools, and a built-in content management system. Webflow is ideal for both designers and businesses seeking maximum control over their website's design and functionality. You have the ability to craft unique and complex designs without the limitations typically imposed by traditional website builders. The interface allows you to work with visual elements as if you were using design tools like Photoshop or Sketch, but with full control over HTML and CSS. Built-in animation features allow you to create scroll-based effects, hover animations, and much more, all without a single line of code. Webflow generates clean and SEO-optimized code, making it easier for search engines to index your site. You can also easily customize metadata, image alt text, and other important SEO elements. This allows your site to rank higher in search results, bringing more visibility to your content. Webflow's powerful CMS makes managing content easy, whether you're running a blog, portfolio, news site, or an e-commerce platform. You can effortlessly add new pages, edit existing content, or schedule posts through an intuitive interface. It's an all-in-one solution for content-heavy websites. If you don't have the time or expertise to design a website from scratch, Webflow offers a wide range of professionally designed templates for different types of websites. Whether you need a landing page, blog, or online store, Webflow templates give you a strong foundation to build on. Provides robust hosting with high uptime and performance for any website. Webflow makes it easy for teams to collaborate on website development and content creation. You can add any third-party tools and services to enhance your website's functionality, from chatbots to analytics. Strikingly is a platform for building single-page and multi-page websites without the need for coding. It's ideal for small businesses, freelancers, bloggers, and creative individuals who want to quickly create a personal or business website with minimal effort. Thanks to its intuitive drag-and-drop editor and built-in marketing tools, Strikingly allows you to set up a professional website in just a few hours. With Strikingly, you can create a website in just minutes, thanks to easy-to-use templates and a drag-and-drop editor. The platform is perfect for those who want to quickly launch their project without getting bogged down in technical details. All websites created on Strikingly are automatically optimized for mobile devices, ensuring a smooth browsing experience on any screen size. You don't have to worry about creating separate versions for smartphones. The platform does it automatically. Strikingly offers simple e-commerce tools, allowing you to add products, set up payment and shipping options, and manage orders directly from your website's dashboard. It's an excellent choice for small online stores that want to get up and running quickly. With Strikingly's integration with popular social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, you can easily share your content and drive traffic from social networks. This helps you stay connected with your audience and attract new visitors. Strikingly includes built-in SEO tools to help your website rank higher in search engines, as well as Google Analytics integration to monitor your traffic and visitor behavior. This makes it easy to track your website's performance and make data-driven improvements. Strikingly offers competitive pricing, making it accessible to individuals and small businesses. When it comes to choosing the right platform for building and hosting websites, Ionos, Webflow, and Strikingly each offer distinct advantages depending on your needs. Whether you're looking for powerful hosting solutions with Ionos, design freedom and control with Webflow, or a quick and simple way to build a website with Strikingly, these platforms have got you covered. No matter which option you choose, it's essential to find a solution that fits both your current and future needs. Ionos, Webflow, and Strikingly provide reliable options for businesses, entrepreneurs, and creators who want to bring their online presence to life. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We cover everything from website creation tips to deep dives into the best platforms for your projects. Click that subscribe button to stay up to date on the latest trends and tutorials.